Good morning guys, in this tutorial I have explained about the key features of GitHub and frequently asked question of GitHub. So let's begin. The first question is key features of Git. The first feature is distributed architecture. In constraint a centralized version of control system, Git employs a distributed framework. This means that each developer's local copy of database doubles as a repository capable of storing the complete history of modification. This approach not only offers redundancy but also enhances performance. Next is data integrity. Git ensures the integrity of a version control by combining cryptographic hash function, ensuring the history of project file and commits is secure and unchangeable over time. Balancing and merging. Git provides robust tools for branching and merging, allowing developers to work on different features or fixed in parallel before incorporating them into main lines for development. This promotes a more fluid workflow and help to managing change effectively. Speed Git is designed to handle operation quickly regardless of the project size. Many operations are performed locally, reducing the need for network access and speeding up the workflow. Next is open source. Git is open source managed, meaning it's free to use and its source code is available for anyone to inspect, modify, and enhancement. What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system that is used to track change in source code during the software development. It permits multiple developers to work on a project together without interrupting each other's change. Git is especially popular for its speed and ability to manage work, small and large project capability. Next question is what is a repository of in Git? A Git repository is like a file structure that stores all the files or projects. It continues track enhancement to these files over time, helping teams work together. Eventually, Git can control both local repository for your own machine and remote repository, usually hosted on platform like GitHub, Bitbucket, and GitLab, allowing team work and backups. Next question is what is a version control system? A version control system records the work of developing, reporting on projects. It keeps the history of code changes, permitting developers to add new code, fix bugs, and runs tests securely. If required, then can restore a past working version, verifying project security. Next question is what is the git push command? A git push command is used to share local repository change to remote repository. It changes the remote repository with the recent commit from the fixed local test. What is the git pull command? Git pull command is used to update the current local branch with changes from a remote repository and combining with it a local repository. Next question is what is the difference between Git and GitHub? Git is a version control system used to track changes in files over time. GitHub is a platform where Git repository can be stored and shared. It runs locally on a local your system. It is cloud-based service. Git can be used offline as its operation locally on your machine. GitHub requires internet connection because it is honest on the web. Next question is what is the difference between Git init and Git clone? Git init developers a new empty Git repository and a present directory, while Git clone copies an existing remote repository containing all files and history to local history, local directory. What is a Git add? The git add commands mark change in your project to fix for the next commit. It tells Git which files to involve in the later updates, making them ready to be saved in the repository. This is the early step in recording change in the Git repository. What is Git status? A Git status command shows the recent status of your Git repository. It tells you which files have changed, which ones are ready to be committed, and which ones are new and unobserved. This benefits you monitor your work growth and see what change want to set up or commit. Next question is, what is the purpose of git clean command? A git clean command is used to erase, ignore files from the working directory or git repository. Its motive is to clean up workspace by deleting file and are not being saved by git checking and clean state with only object file present. What is a conflict in git? Git usually manages merge automatically, but conflict occur when two branches edit the same line or when one branch delete a file that another edits. Next question is, what is the meaning of index and in Git? In Git, the index also called as staging area. It's a place where alternation and temporary store report committing them to a repository. It permits you to select and prefer specific alternation from your working directory before properly saving them apart from project history. Next question is, what difference between the commands git and git clone? Git clone download a fully copied remote repository to local computer involving files and history. Git remotes control connection to remote repository. It set up links to remote repository but does not download any files. Next question is, what is git stash? Git stash is a git command used to temporarily store change in your working directory that are not yet ready to be committed. It permits developers to conserve modification without committing them into repository. What is difference between git ref log and log? Git log, it shows a history of commit change made at your git repository. It lists out commits in linear order showing who made each change. Git then key made it and commit message. Git ref log, it stands for reference log. It records change to the head current branch pointer to permits you to see a timeline to recent movement within the repository like commit, checkpoint, merge. It is effective for recording lost commit or branching that are no longer visible in regular log. Next question is, explain between the git reset, git revert and git checkpoint. Git reset move head to different commit potentially changing the git revert undoes accept commit to making new commit with a reverse change. Git checkout, which is branch or check out files from commits, putting you heads states or direction committed. What do you handle large files with Git? To handle a large files to in Git, use Git LFS, large files storage. Next question is, how do you handle large file with Git? To handle large files in Git, use Git FLS, LFS, a large files storage. It tracks large files severely from your repository, storing them on remote server. This prevents bloating your repository size to and secures improved performance with file operation like cloning and paging. Next question is, what is balancing in Git? Balancing in Git permits permits formatting separate lines to developing. Next question. Hello. Next question is, what is branching in Git? Branching in Git permits forming separate lines for development. It allows users to work on features or fix separately from the main code base, helping parallel development and simpler integration of changes. Thanks for this watching and thank you and time.